In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate dropshipping with Shopify. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to start an online business without having to worry about inventory or upfront costs for products. By leveraging Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, you can simplify this process significantly. Let's dive into some of the top apps available for Shopify that can help streamline your dropshipping journey. First up, we have Oberlo. If you're new to dropshipping, Oberlo is a great app to start with. Designed with beginners in mind, it seamlessly allows you to import products directly from suppliers, primarily from AliExpress. This means you can explore a wide array of products and add them to your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Next, let's talk about Spocket. One of the biggest advantages of Spocket is its ability to connect you with suppliers based in the US and the EU. This is fantastic because it translates to faster shipping times for your customers, a crucial factor for customer satisfaction. Spocket can be especially beneficial if your target market is in these regions. If you're looking to automate various aspects of your dropshipping business, AutoDS might be the way to go. This app provides powerful automation tools that handle product imports, price updates, and fulfill orders, ultimately saving you a lot of time and effort in your day-to-day operations. Another robust option is DSers, which is the official dropshipping partner of AliExpress. This app is particularly useful if you're handling large volumes of orders, as it offers bulk ordering features and supplier management tools to keep your operations running smoothly. Lastly, consider Modelist for your Shopify store if you're aiming to offer high-quality and branded products. Modelist focuses on providing suppliers from the US and Europe, ensuring both variety and quality in the products you offer. So, how do you go about installing one of these apps on your Shopify store? It's quite straightforward. First, head over to the Shopify App Store. Once there, use the search bar to find the dropshipping app you're interested in from the list we just discussed. When you've found your chosen app, click on the Add App button. You'll need to follow the installation prompts that come up next. These prompts are usually quite intuitive, guiding you through the necessary permissions and settings to integrate the app into your Shopify store seamlessly. That's it. You're now set up to explore the world of dropshipping using Shopify. Remember, whichever app you choose should align with your business goals and needs. Whether it's automation, faster shipping, or high-quality products, there's something out there for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your dropshipping store on Shopify.